Yes, good morning everyone. Today in chapter 11, water in atmosphere, we will discuss about the world distribution of rainfall. The world distribution of rainfall is very complex subject because different places on earth's surface receive different amount of rainfall in a year, and that too in different in season. Very first, the world pattern of distribution of precipitation or the rainfall is very complex. In this, latitude distance from sea, distribution of land in water, land from barrier, mountain or reliefs, frontal activity, air mass movement, differential heating and cooling of surface are some of the important factors which are involved in causing rainfall. The climate factors are found on more than one combination over the different part of the earth, and the resultant pattern of rainfall distribution is far from simple. Okay, whatever, but before analyzing the world distribution of mean rainfall, a brief discussion of principal factor which influence the distribution of rainfall is necessary. Let's start with the latitude. Latitudinal belts of atmospheric convergence and divergence exercise maximum control over the distribution of precipitation, as over the equatorial belt of calm convergence zone where the trade wind from north and south converge are the region of maximum rainfall, and this is the reason over the equator there is a higher rainfall or the maximum rainfall on the earth surface. On other hand, in subtropical region or the subtropical high pressure belt where there is a divergence of air, right? So this is the reason which is where rainfall is maximum. Next factor after the latitude is distance from sea. Distance from sea and as well the distribution of rain, land and water are related to the continents and oceans. The distribution of land and water is an important factor in which influence the rainfall in middle and high latitude, right? Because over the equatorial belt there is high rainfall, but over the middle and high latitude distribution of land and water is important factor, because the places which are situated in the same latitude, the continental part receive less rainfall than the ocean, because oceanic part have higher level of moisture, and you must know there is 71% earth surface is covered by oceans and only 29% is continent. Interior location of the continent which are being far away from the source of oceanic moisture receive less rainfall, and this is the reason the coastal areas receive more rain than the interior part of the continent, because coastal areas due to the connectivity or they are in the touch or the direct falls directly in the path of moisture laden onshore wind, and this is natural. Coastal area will get higher rainfall as compared to interior part of continent, because these are favorable conditions for higher rainfall. And the effect of distribution of land and water, the effect of continent on distribution of precipitation is very distinct in the vast land mass of Asia as well as other part of world. The countries like Iran, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, which constitute a long and extensive dry belt extending up to the great desert of Sahara as well. As well, the drier part of North Mexico, Southwest USA are the typical example of continentality. In southern hemisphere as well, the western part of subtropical regions of South Africa, South Africa, South America, Australia South have desert mainly because of the effect of continentality. As well, the Thar desert of India. But east, okay, this is all. Now next factor, this is mountain or the relief factor. Windward side of mountains which are under influence of winds receive higher rainfall as compared to the leeward side, right, where air descend. The mountain barrier forces the moisture, right, because when winds strike with the mountain, these mountain barrier force the moisture bearing wind to ascend up. So the condensation and precipitation occur because of the cloud formation, and precipitation is concentrated over this region on the windward side of slope. But over the leeward side, where air descend, wind descend, this is a rain shadow zone. All over the world, wherever prevailing winds blowing from the ocean to land are blocked by mountain ranges or the plateau. As a result, windward slope of mountain receive higher rainfall. Even this is in tropical region, orographic mountain lifting is one of the main factor record the annual rainfall. For example, the summer monsoon in India produces heavy rainfall on the southern slope of Himalaya. The areas of western slope of Western Ghat receive higher rainfall as compared to eastern side of Western Ghats. Thank you.